unboxing, opening, PsiloSage streams. We got this Mega Gengar EX tin, collectible tin. Got this from GameStop, y'all. Traded in a broken PS1 that didn't really have any wires, didn't read discs, and traded in an old Game Boy Advance SP that was also broken and didn't even turn on. They gave us $70 store credit, y'all, so we used it towards this tin and pre-ordered the next drop of Pokemons. So, you know, we traded in old junk and using it towards new Pokemon, which is, you know, they say is a new goal. So let's keep that going. Ripping this tin, y'all. They let me pick which one I wanted. I picked the one in the back left. Feel me, the back left tin. Felt lucky with it. Y'all see the colors. Very rare. PSILO collectible. Alright, y'all, we starting off with the Mega Gengar promo card. Y'all see how beautiful that looking. Ghosta. PSILO Ghosta. You know, we about to put that straight into the folder over here. About to pull that right on out. Straight into the folder. Not gonna touch that much. Alright, let's see what they gave us in this tin, y'all. Starting with the Chaos Rising. Another Chaos Rising. We got some Perfect Order. Another Perfect Order. Okay, so no Ascended Heroes. I had heard that we may get a couple Ascended Heroes, but it's all Gucci. No Ascended Heroes in this container here. All right, y'all, we'll start with the Perfect Order then. Maybe we'll get a... should we move this around? Oh yeah, we'll open in that order. Maybe we'll get a Meowth or something, y'all. All right, y'all, Perfect Order. We're going for a Meowth with these ones. And then the Chaos Rising. I guess a Great Ninja, right? That's the one we should be going for. Don't make fun of me, yo. The first pack I'm always kind of struggling with, you know? Just trying to get these going. For anyone that's into the code, here y'all go. Free code for you. All right. Got that energy, y'all see. We got a Seal. A Double Blade. A Spoopa. PSILO Spoopa. Troopa. Nice potion. An Energy Swatter. Aromatisse. Nice aroma. You feel me? Oh, showing. Eggy Slash. A Furfro, Hollow. Swag to the Hollow. Hollow Hills. Barabackle. And finally, Mega Starmie EX, y'all. Look at that. First pack. We got the illustration rare. This is what I'm saying, y'all. We go for the tins, and we pick out the tin we feeling lucky with. Swag like a starfish, y'all. Go listen to that song, Starfish by PsiloSage, y'all. We rocking like this Mega Starmie EX. Starfish, I'm like a starfish because I regenerate. Why would I ever want to hate? Bass freestyle for my brain state. Medulla oblongata. I don't really wanna smoke the marijuana, but I gotta just to let my brain be proper. Rare PsiloSage lyrics, y'all. Alright, we putting this one in. Starmie EX, keeping it rare. Right next to the Mega Gengar X, so that'll be the EX section over there. Alright, and the basic cards for now, just set them in the tin. Alright, y'all, that was just the first pack. Let me know how much that's worth. I don't do that little coin counter thing, but y'all can leave a comment. Let me know what that Mega Starmie EX is worth. Is that worth more than the Gengar that it came with promo? Let's hop into, no, what do you think? Yeah, let's finish the perfect order. Keep it in perfect order. Order of events, order of the way that it came, you know, came in the pack like that. Technically, that would have been the bottom pack, right? So maybe that's why that was the best pack, but we'll see. I think we still got more to come. I think we still got more to come, y'all. Here's a code for whoever's into that. Moving the energy. All right, let's see what we got coming up. Shifting where I'm at so y'all can really see this. All right, we got the basic energy. We got a Dartrix, a little green owl. Hone Edge, a little single sword. Ooh, a Haunter in the forest, y'all. La Gosta La Hanta in the forest. Shout out Haunter. I'm setting that one aside. I like that card. Bunnelby. Core memory, y'all. Core memory unlocked. Hope y'all in here with me, unlocking core memories, making history, making memories. Hippodon. Shouts out to all the hippos. Eradicate. Not trying to eradicate, just trying to celebrate. Never hate. Superior, feeling superior. Never inferior. Coming through with the vines and the solar energy. Commanding it from the top. Oh, we got the Volcanian. Swag Volcanian. And we got a Luxray Hollow. Electric-ish. You feel me? Setting it aside. Alright. Common cards to the side as well. Alright, that was 2 packs of the perfect order. Keeping it in perfect order once again. This is the Mega Gengar EX10 we open it. Still got some chaos to get into. This one feels a little bit heavier. We'll see if this one has got more than this one. Let's see what's up. Alright, we going for a Greninja, I believe, in this pack. It's the main chase. Let's see what we can get. Alright, y'all, Pokemon. Got a code for you. And let's see what we pull. Alright, got that basic psychic energy. A Pumpkaboo. A Pharaoh Seed. Carnivine. Shouts out the vines once again. A Mareep. Shouts out the sheep. Having dreams of electric sheep, you feel me? Android's dream of electric sheep. Those who know what's up. Alright, Pharaoh Thorn. More vines and thorns. A Claydol. Shouts out to the Japanese figures of aliens. That's what that one reminds me of. The Dogon or whatever. Deoxys in that defensive mode. We got a Stinky Skunk Hollow. Okay, let's go. We got that full art Taurus, and that's not even the last card, y'all. We got that illustration rare. Shouts out to the Tauruses. Tauros. And it's not even the last one. We still got a Delphox. But I'm going to take that illustration rare, y'all. That's a rare one. We about to set the... Check it out before we put it away. About to put that next to the Gengar X, EX, and that other full art that we pulled earlier. But shouts out to everyone with horns, you know. Spiritual beings got horns, not always negative. Need those to break on through to the other side, you feel me? Growing our horns and our wings. Doing things. Spiritual beings. Look at that nature, y'all. Look at them trees, them vines. Gotta love that rare art. Pokemon art, you know? Alright, this will get put away too. Alright, y'all, we still got a pack left. And put some of these hollows in a separate pile. Some of the basic cards and back in the tin. Give those away to some kid or something. Alright, and this was the one that felt heavier. So let's see what's up. Maybe the last pack. Got some mojo, whatever they call it. Magique. Ancient Magique. Last pack Magique. We'll see what's up. Might just be heavy because it's a little overweight. But don't sleep on the tins, y'all. These ripping packs. PsiloSage ripping Pokemon packs. Giving y'all all the codes. And let's see what's up. One to the back. Electric. Electric Feel, Electric Avenue, Electric Avenue. Come on, take me higher. We got a Frogadier, y'all. Shouts out to all the frogs and the toads. Took a hop to Toadland. PsiloSage, you the man. We got the Weedles. Look at that tower behind the Weedle, y'all. It's a crazy architecture that the Weedle just stumbled upon. We got a Quillfish. Shout out all the fish under the sea. Living life so free. Shout out Spiky. Goomy. All the goofy goobers. Gumballs. Slugs. You feel me? Look at that architecture in the back once again. Free energy. Okay. Ninetales looking great. Feel me? The fox spirit with 9 tails. Willow Wispin. Whisper to me. This is our adversity policy. Would it be? Make sure y'all read the fine print when you signing off your legacy. All right, once again, shouts out to the Tauruses, the Tauros, the Bulls, everyone with horns. Shout out Deoxys and everyone in space. We based in space, staying, doing what we do. Y'all hear these horns? We got kids outside right now, sending off shots, sending off sounds. We got a hollow pat rat. Shout out all the rats. Shout out all that. Okay, we got a Crobat to finish off. Nothing too crazy. So it's not always the heavier packs, y'all. But we can't be mad. Out of the 4 packs, we got 2 illustration rares and we got the promo. What's it called? Gengar EX. Yeah, we got that promo card. So cannot be mad at what we got. Let me set these to the side real quick to show y'all one last look at what we pulled today. These are the breadwinners. You feel me? The legendary arts. Legendary illustration rare cards. We got the Starmie EX, the Mega Gengar EX, and the illustration rare Tauros. All from 110, y'all. Shout out GameStop. Shout out everyone that tuned into the stream. Alright, we out of here. Peace. I think it's peace. Can we end the stream, y'all?